benefiting royalties in the future. Yes.
Anakola leo tubadde kuki?
Lero twamitize ba producer, big main house producers. Just tubadde tuyagala ku interacting nabo and also exchange information on how they can better themselves, getting organized, getting an administration together, getting split sheets together, getting your royalties together, so that you find that tosobola kufuna sente nga toli organized tekiriyo. Yes.
Lwe twasembayo okubeerako naye oba oliawo mu interview wali weemulugunya ng'ogamba nti mwenga ba producer temufunye mu works zammwe sawa zino ensonga zo ziri streamlined watandika kufuna sente zo.
Ebintu biri organized kubanga nange nabeera organized. I became organized. Buli kintu nekiregisteringa najja wano UPRS and I registered everything on their platform. Kati buli bwafunamu sente nga ku AGM eno egenda kuja nange ngenda kufunamu katooke katono.
Eri ba producer bakyaganya okufollowinga ku ensonga UPRS oba oliawo nga baagala n'okugyegatirako ddala.
No, ba producer oba oyagala kufuna nnyo more information about UPRS genda ku website yaffe typing UPRS Uganda ofune more information. Naye tosobola kufuna royalties zo nga tojoininze UPRS mu Uganda. Wanga ffe tucollectinga sente zonna mu America, mu Kenya, mu Rwanda, mu UK, mu China, buli wamu ffe tugicollectinga sente ezo. Ne oba toli registered with us ate emirimu yo teri registered in a proper way. N'amanya go si manya otekamu emanya gasimanya Magic Washington oyina otekamu eri ebangit David Otio omuzungu bwayagala.
Ekibe ejusa music industry nga producer ekibe ejusa music industry nga Washington
nejusa atya
your regrets in the music industry.
Regrets zange mu industry is just tetwaberanga ne information. Singa tubadde ne information singa many things would be different, but right now at least tuina information tumanyi value je tuina nga tumaze kukola ofuna bulungi omwimbi kati amanyi value ye nga amaze kukola producer amanyi value ye songwriter value ye, but before order tetuina information at all.
Abayimbi bakusimbye ekimala.
Omwimbi tasobola kusimba kimala abeera ng'enjere muluma buli ssaawa. So yeah.
Ndowooza ku nsonga eri eya gundi corporate management system nti already tubadde tumanyi nti UPRS eriwo ng'ekitongole kisolooza ate kati baleeta corporate management system eri ku side eri ya Eddie Kenzo temugenda kukottana kubeera nga ate bali eri bakola bye mubadde mulina okukola.
UPRS eri different. Tetuli, we are not a federation. We are a CMO. Mirimu yaffe or collecting our royalties and distribute them. Ofuna bulungi. Ate for us tetuli mu level ya Bali. We represent the country on a big scale. Understand? So agamba this is like a government job. You get it? Tetuli mu levels za federations or whatever. No. We CMO ate fe tugenda kusigalayo paka last. Ate kirala eno UPRS yaffe fena. Tuina equal rights everybody. This is UPRS, we have equal rights. Singa eri oli ali munene nnyo ono ali bwati ono ali abwati no.
Last message or your last remark.
Last message Galaxy kutumide Mr. Innocent Chali wange kujukira bulungi yenze Washington Chaliwo kwagala nnyo what you're doing. Big up on yourself. Keep supporting Ugandan music. Galaxy TV UPRS
for quite some time. But of course as a leader I cannot get tired. For a group of new producers who want to hear from the horse's mouth, definitely to go to and one thing I want to thank UPRS, they have always been listening to us. So Olwalero basically to say a group of producers by J Baulire from the directors of UPRS Babanyonyole UPRS etugasiza mu industry and how best can producers benefit from UPRS. Yes,
ensonga ki ezisingira ddala okuluma ba producer mu kaseera kaneeno?
Obwavu. Yeah. obwavu bungi nnyo mu ba producers, but I think it's because of the business model. Naye we are working around it. Nze nga president wa PAO, we are working on solutions okugezaako curbing poverty out of music producers.
Yes.
You've never gotten royalties?
We have never gotten royalties, including me. Okay? From my country. But from other countries, I get my royalties. From Nairobi, from Rwanda, from Nigeria, from South Africa, from Zimbabwe, from Zambia. Funamoko something that takes care of me. But from my country here, I have never got any royalties. And it is so embarrassing enough that we have to fight it. So we are fortunate that UPRS had a slot whereby at least the producers could also have a board of directors representing them. And so far, I'm here with one of my brothers called Atin Pro. I think you know him. Unfortunately, can't make it. Sends his apologies. We are on the board team with UPRS, and we are strictly looking at the producers' businesses. But we have a lot of work to do in order to get this money. There are a lot of mistakes that we have been doing while working. We need to stop those things. I'm happy most of you are still here. We still have a lifetime ahead of you. We have already done 30 years in the industry. You get it? I'm just now trying to see how I can collect from what I had already done. You get it? But I'm not going to attain any start again. No, because there's a time for everything. Yeah. Okay? There's a time for everything. So my time right now is to collect and make myself better. Yeah. You get it? It's not time to compete with anyone. I see producers are still competing and marking each other. Yet you are poor. Yes. What are you competing for? What are you showing off for? Just because I taught you guys how to put a name in a song. No, me, I'm suffering because of that. You know, an artist will think that he's doing you a favor to put your name in the song, yet he doesn't know how you sleep. You get it? Yeah. So those mistakes are not made by the artist, they are made by us. It took me long to understand this, but I finally understood that, you know what, in order to fix a problem, you have to first fix yourself. How do we fix ourselves as producers? We have to become professional. How do you become professional? By getting organized. How do you get organized? You have to have a team. You have that word organized. If you don't have a team, someone, a lawyer who can advise you, a manager who can manage you, a PR who can take out your PR out there. You get it? Like how you see Dr. Dre does it, how you see Timbaland does it, how you see Don Jazzy. Don Jazzy is a good example. How you see Don Jazzy has done it. Producers, you're supposed to be the bosses. You're not supposed to be the doormats. You get it? If you go, I like using the example of a hotel. A hotel, there are chefs, there are waiters, and there are customers. But who gets the tips? Who cooks the food? The chef. So that's how you are. So how will you let the customers know that you are valuable? There's someone who told me one time there's a chef who decided to put some chemicals in the food just to make the customers get diarrhea, just to let them know that they are important. And the guy did it, and when they were suffering, they also got something else and it cooled them down. You get it? So what I'm just trying to tell you is that you are important, but you cannot be important if you're not organized and you don't have a team. You get it? So how do we get organized? In the studios, we have what they call split sheets. You need to organize your own split sheet. Go get a lawyer. I know all of you can get a lawyer. If you don't have a lawyer, you can go online and get that education yourself.
We've actually shared one.
Oh, you have one?
Yes, we have shared one with the members. This one exactly, at least.
Who's certified?
Yes, this is from
Yeah.
You know, this because this one even has a wiper directions on how splits should